প্ৰিয় ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি 16/2/2024 চনত HSLC অৰ্থাৎ মেট্ৰিক পৰীক্ষাত হৈ যোৱা ইংৰাজী প্ৰশ্ন কাকতৰ প্ৰশ্নখিনি আলোচনা কৰিছোঁ। Section A. Choose the correct option for the following question number 1 to question number 45. 1 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নৰ পৰা 45 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নলৈ question number 1 দিয়া আছে। Read the following statement with the reference to a letter to God and choose the correct option. ইয়াত কাৰেক্ট অপশ্যনটো বাছি উলিয়াব কৈছে। Statement 1 দিয়া আছে, the house in which Lenzo was living was in the middle of a populous town. এটো অশুদ্ধ। Statement 2 দিয়া আছে, Lenzo was a good farmer. ইয়াত চাৰিটা অপশ্যন দিয়া আছে A, B, C, D। ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত B অপশ্যনটো কাৰেক্ট হ'ব। Statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Answer B. Question number 2. I hope it passed quickly. I did not pass quickly. What is the it reference to? ইয়াত it শব্দটোৱে কি বুজাইছে? ইয়াত শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ব এনসাৰ C, the hailstorm. Question number 3. What was Lenzo's immediate response when he received the letter from God? ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব এনসাৰ B. He was not surprised but very angry. Question number 4. On what lovely autumn day I was accompanied by my dash Zinani. Answer হ'ব answer D, daughter. Question number 5. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our two national anthems. What was the occasion when two national anthems were being played? ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব answer A. It was the swearing in the ceremony of Mandela. Question number 6. Read the following statement with reference to Nelson Mandela long walk to freedom and choose the correct option. Statement 1. On the day of the inauguration, Nelson Mandela was overwhelmed with a sense of history. To write. Statement 2. Mandela learned that courage is not an absence of fear but triumphs over it. চাৰিটা অপশ্যনৰ ভিতৰত শুদ্ধ এনসাৰটো হ'ব এনসাৰ D. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Answer D. D2 শুদ্ধ উত্তৰ হ'ব। Question number 7. During September to March, it is the season of dash Krug. ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব answer C, joy. Question number 8. With reference to Krug, choose the correct option of the given sentence. The theory of Arab origin in relation to people of Krug is based of the চাৰিটা অপশ্যনৰ ভিতৰত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব answer A, clothes they wear. Question number 9. Read the following statement with reference to Krug and choose the correct option. ইয়াত statement দুটা আছে। Statement 1 আছে, whoever visits Krug is fascinated by the adventure activities that are carried out. এটা শুদ্ধ। Statement 2. The people are hostile and cowardly in Krug. তাই ইয়াত দুটা অপশ্যনৰ ভিতৰত 1 নম্বৰটো শুদ্ধ, 2 নম্বৰটো wrong. গতিকে ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব answer A. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Question number 10. Pranjal buried his nose in his detective books again. What does the underlined part means? ইয়াত আন্ডাৰলাইন পাৰ্টটো কি আছে? বাৰিড হিজ নোজ, এইটোৰ অৰ্থ কি? ইয়াত অপশ্যন চাৰিটাৰ ভিতৰত এই যিটো আছে সেইটো শুদ্ধ। এনচাৰ হ'ব এ, টু বিকেম ডিপলি ইনগ্ৰছড ইন সামথিং। Question number 11. Read the following statement with the reference to tea from Assam and choose the correct option. ইয়াত দুটা স্টেটমেন্ট দিয়া আছে। স্টেটমেন্ট 1 আছে, বুদ্ধ ধৰ্ম was a lazy monk who loved to sleep, এটো wrong. স্টেটমেন্ট 2, the legend of the Buddha Dharma origin in China, এটো wrong. তেনেহলে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব answer D. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Question number 12. The second phrase or sprouting period is important as it. Answer hobo answer B, yield the best tea. Question number 13. Read the following statement with reference to Madam Rides the bush and choose the correct option. Statement 1 আছে, Folly left standing at the front door, এটো right. Statement 2, her playmates were of her age, এটো wrong. তেনেহলে শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Option এটো শুদ্ধ। Question number 14. On and on went her throughout as the calculated and recalculated, planned and replanned. What was the planning about? Planning to কি আছিল? Answer to hobo answer B, it was about a bus ride. Question number 15. He strikes in his vivid strips. Choose the word which is same as the underlined word. Underlined word অর্থাৎ ভিভিডটোৰ লগত একে, ইয়াৰ কোনটো হ'ব? ইয়াত অপশ্যন এ টো শুদ্ধ হ'ব। এনসাৰ এ, ব্ৰাইট। Question number 16. In the poem Amanda, the mother asks his daughter not to. Answer হ'ব C, bite and nails. Question number 17. In the poem Animals, Walt Whitman writes that animals do not discuss their duty to. Answer about C, goat. Question number 18. In the ball poem, the boy senses his first responsibility in a world of. ইয়াত চাৰিটা অপশ্যনৰ ভিতৰত এনসাৰ হ'ব এনসাৰ ডি, possessions. Question number 19. Why does the speaker in the ball poem say that he would not intrude on the boy? Answer হ'ব answer A, because he knows that another ball is worthless. Question number 20. He is learning well behind his desperate eyes. What is the opposite of the underlined word? Underlined word desperate, ইয়াৰ অৰ্থ কি হ'ব? Opposite word কি হ'ব? Answer হ'ব option B, distressed. Question number 21. From your reading of the tale of Custard the Dragon, choose the correct option. ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো কি হ'ব? এনসাৰ ডি, কিটেন ব্ল্যাক, মাউস গ্ৰে। Question number 22. Read the following statement with reference to footprints without feet and choose the correct option. Statement 1, Griffin chose a bad time to be in London. এটা শুদ্ধ। Statement 2, it was bad time because all shops in London were closed. ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব answer A. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. ইয়াৰ এটা আছে 5 নম্বৰ, এইটো নহ'লে এইটো কৰিব লাগিব। Read the following statement with reference to the horse driver and choose the correct option. ইয়াত অপশ্যন দুটা আছে, আগৰটোত যিটো আছে অৰ্থটো সেইটো এনচাৰে হ'ব। ইয়াত আগৰটোত এ হৈছে, এটাতো এ হ'ব। Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Question number 23, Griffin the scientist had carried out experiments after experiment. What is the experiment is being reference to here? ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব answer B, how to become invisible. ইয়াত এটা আছে, ইয়াত বিটো শুদ্ধ হৈছে, গতিকে ইয়াত অৰটো বিটো শুদ্ধ হ'ব। Oliver Luckins laughs at the young lawyers because answer হ'ব B, Luckins understood that the young lawyers did not understood his tricks. Question number 24, shortly afterward a curious episode occurred. Choose the word which means the same as the underlined word. অর্থাৎ underlined word কিউরিয়াস শব্দটোৰ অৰ্থ কি? এনসার হ'ব A, strange. ইয়াৰ এটা অৰ আছে, as we climbs back to the bags hills enclosed that since Luckins had excused his credit as Gustav's. Choose the opposite for the underlined word. Excused ইয়াৰ opposite wordৰ বিচাৰিছে, answer হ'ব A, kept unused. Question number 25, read the following statement with reference to a question to trust and choose the correct option. Statement 1, Horace Denby loved to read books. Statement 2, books lovers can be created easily by beautiful women. ইয়াত শুদ্ধটো হ'ব answer A, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. ইয়াত অৰ যিটো আছে সেইটো একে হ'ব, ইয়াত এটো হলে অটো এনসারটো হ'ব A. Read the following statement with reference to the midnight vision and choose the correct option. Statement 1, physical appearance that nothing to do with the profession of a detective. Statement 2, all detective must know how to speak French. শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো A হ'ব, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Question number 26, 15 years ago Horace Denby had been put to the prison because answer হ'ব C, he robbed a safe. or এটা আছে প্রশ্নটো হল Max wanted the report back from Asable. It was a report concerning, এটারও answer হ'ব C, missile. Question number 27, Horace gets angry when anyone discuss honor among. Answer হ'ব answer B, thieves. or এটা দিয়া আছে question টো হল the first event of the day that thrilled follower was answer hobo etoro hobo B the appearance of a man with a small automatic pistol read the true statement and choose the correct option. Statement 1 we have to be careful and altered. Statement 2 is that so but why ইয়াত উত্তৰটো হ'ব answer B statement 1 is assertive and statement 2 is interrogative এটা গ্রামাৰৰ প্ৰশ্ন Question number 29 do you have any money ইয়াত শুদ্ধ উত্তৰটো হ'ব answer D quantifier Question number 30 I signed my name where father old এইবিলাক গ্রামার আগৰ ভিডিওটোত আলোচনা কৰা হৈছে তোমালোকে যদি ভিডিওটো চোৱা নাই ভিডিওটো চাই ল'ব আজিলৈ ইমানেই ধন্যবাদ ভিডিওটোৰ দ্বাৰা তোমালোকৰ উপকৃত হ'লে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব লাইক কৰিব ধন্যবাদ